Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the LiveGlam Morphe Me brushes and also on my BoxyCharm. I did see some of the products, sneak peeks that BoxyCharm posted on Instagram, but I honestly don't know what I'm going to get. So we'll find out today. And then for the Morphe brushes, I think I did see what brushes I was gonna get, but I don't remember exactly which ones they were, so I am really excited to open these. So we're gonna start with the Morphe brushes first. I don't have scissors. Oh, but they have a little cool thingy here that you can just open them like this. So I guess I'm getting 3 brushes. So here they are. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with this brush, and it is E9 Oval Foundation Brush. Okay, so next I'm gonna do the E53. So it's this brush. It's a powder brush. It looks really, really good. Pro pointed powder. Alright, next is gonna be the mini detail. My coworkers were making fun of me, so if you're watching this, yes, it's about you. I'm just kidding, no, but they were making fun of me because I guess I say contour, and it's contour. So contour. This is a mini detail contour brush, and it is the M557. This one too looks really, really good. It's like a bigger, I guess, fluffy brush. There you go. So next is BoxyCharm. Alright, let's go ahead and open my BoxyCharm for this month. See what we got. So, go this side. This is the little card that comes with it that tells me like the prices and oh, I already dropped something. That tells me the oh my god, guys, you guys are not gonna believe this. I'm so excited. Anyway, this is the little card thing that comes with like that tells you the prices, and I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, this is the card thing. This is the stuff. Oops. So we'll go ahead and go by order by this little card thingy. This thing right here. So first we have the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. I was super excited for this. I did see this sneak peek, so I am really, really excited. So it's this right here, and let's go ahead and open it. The original price is $39. So Becca. Let's open it. Keep me close to keep me cool. It's right there. So next we're gonna do the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and that is $42, guys. This thing right here is $42. Like I don't think I would ever buy this because I'm a broke hoe. Just kidding, no, I'm broke, but yeah, so this is $42. Oh, it looks like it. Why does it look like they opened it? A little bit on my hand. Oh, so yeah. Dang, that looks really good. Especially me, because I have such dry skin. It's this. Originally $23, and it's vegan mascara. Okay, so it's this one. So it's this big Ego $23. $23. Let's take it out of the package. Oh, I was holding it the wrong way. It's a full-size product, guys. It's not none of that Ipsy stuff. Like, it's actually, I'm really excited to try this. Cause my eyelashes, like my natural eyelashes, are really long. Let's see. So like to work, I don't wear eyelashes. I mean, not all the time. So it's, oh, and I love the color. Super cute. It's the the Complexion Authority Pink Glitter Mask. $26. I think I'm gonna try that tonight. I'm going to try this tonight. Oh, oh. It's a peel off mask. See it? Oh, almost dropped it. Smells super good. Okay, and last but not least, it's like they know I like eyelashes or something. These are the Lashaholics Instagram false eyelashes. And they are 100% vegan. $14.99. So these Lashaholic, and it's these. Super pretty. I love the packaging. Okay, guys. So that was it. Those are my things that I got from BoxyCharm and the Morphe LiveGlam. All of this. Oh God, why is that wet? Oh, my water's right there. So yeah, BoxyCharm is definitely worth it. So I don't even know how to say this word, so I'm just gonna like try it. I'm going to collab. I freaking don't know how to say that. Omar makes fun of me because he says it right and I don't. But anyway, so yeah, I'm doing a collab with Mellow Cosmetics. I had never heard of them, so yeah, but I am going to make a video, a short video, just on one of their products that I ordered. It's like a lipstick, so I'll do it probably in one of my videos, but at the end of this video, in the description box, if you go check it out, I'm gonna have a link. If you click that link or like copy and paste or whatever you do to get to that page, but use my link and the code that I will post down there to save 10% off. And yeah, I am really excited to start with them, and I'll put that in the description box. I will also put it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I also have that under the description box, my Instagram name. So yeah, go ahead and follow me. And what else was I gonna say? Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, use my link, use the code if you want some money off of your purchase. Alright guys, so that was it. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys about, and show you guys my BoxyCharm and the LiveGlam. And I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe down below. And what else? Oh, and follow me on social media. Well, Instagram, because that's the only one I have right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.